Hello and welcome to TopApps.ai, where we share the latest tools and trends in artificial intelligence. My name is Kes, and today we will be talking about a tool called Munch. But before we dive into this amazing tool, make sure you subscribe to our channel and activate those notifications so you can watch all of our videos that we keep preparing for you. Now that you're subscribed to our channel, let's go ahead and get started. Are you tired of having to spend countless hours editing your videos? Do you want to increase your content's reach or engagement without sacrificing your valuable time? Well, we've got some exciting news for you because there is an amazing tool. In this video today, I'm going to introduce you to a game-changing AI tool that will make your life and content creation super easy and take your video content to the next level. So let's dive right in. Introducing Munch. This amazing tool is the perfect solution for busy content creators like you who want to maximize your content's impact with minimal effort. With Munch, you can just turn on long-form videos into short, data-driven clips for social media platforms in just seconds. How incredible is that? Munch's AI-driven features are the secret sauce behind its power. It allows you to harvest top interest from popular platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, ensuring that your videos are always optimized for maximum reach and engagement. Munch truly understands what it takes to make content go viral. Imagine creating shareable, eye-catching clips that stand out from the crowd effortlessly. Munch's automated video editing tool makes it a breeze for you to capture your audience's attention and keep them coming back for more. But wait, there's more. Munch isn't just a video editing tool. It's an all-in-one platform that offers automatic editing, auto-caption generating, post-content, and publishing all in one convenient and intuitive tool. So say goodbye from juggling multiple apps and tools for your video creation process. Munch is centered around extensive machine learning capabilities designed to keep what's important at the center of each video. With Munch, you'll be able to receive clips with the highest potential to trend on social media thanks to marketing insights and trending analysis. It's like having your own personal marketing team. Munch also offers a range of customization options, allowing you to tailor your video content to your specific needs. With its advanced editing features, you can add special effects, text, overlays, and even more to make your videos truly stand out. Accessibility is essential, and Munch understands that. With its auto caption generating feature, your videos will be accessible to all viewers, including those with hearing impairments. Everyone deserves to read and understand fantastic content. Now, you might be wondering, how much does this incredible tool cost? Well, I've got great news for you. Munch offers affordable pricing plans starting just at $49 per month, making it accessible for creators of all levels. It's a small investment for a very big reward. And the best part, Munch's user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to create stunning, shareable video content. You don't need to be a tech expert to unlock Munch's full potential. It's designed with you in mind. So what are you waiting for? It's time to take your video content to the next level with Munch's powerful AI-driven features and intuitive interface. Try Munch today and see the difference it can make in your content creation journey. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. So that's everything we have for today's video, but if you want to learn and discover more AI tools, go to TopApps.ai. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.